Hello everyone, today I really don't have any time, so I won't be going on the whiteboard and we'll be doing something that should be pretty simple. So basically we have, I took some inspiration from this. It won't be exactly this because I won't be making my rectangle smaller and larger. But what we will do, and I think these are just rotating in 3D, which we won't be doing for our sake. We'll only have like a 2D grid, and the colors of each squares will be based on the noise value, which changes through time. So that's my goal today. Hopefully we get there pretty quickly because, like I said, I don't have a lot of time today. Maybe hopefully we can do it in under 20 minutes. All right, so there we go. Okay, great. So first thing first, we need some type of scale for each rectangle. That's fine. And then we'll need to know the number of columns and the number of rows. So let's set that. So columns equals the total width divided by the scale. Great, and the total amount of rows is equal to the height divided by the scale. Great, so now we have the grid. Now we can put this in the draw function where we just draw each rectangles. So let me first do, well, we don't really, yeah. Okay, so for let a col equals 0, col is less than cols, col plus plus, there we go. For let row equals 0, row is less than rows, row plus plus. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's do a rectangle at col times the scale and row times the scale. There you go. Okay, with a width and height of scale. There you go. There. We have our grid, that's great. Now we need to put the color that we want in here, and we will change the color mode to HSB, U saturation brightness, and then we will basically have two variables for the offset for the noise, X off we'll call them, and Y off. Y off. These are just for the noise, and then we'll do const U equal noise of X off, Y off times, because noise returns this value between 0 and 1, so we'll get the noise and we'll just multiply it by 360, right? And then we will set the fill color to U, let's say saturation of 100 and brightness of 200. There you go. Okay, so every time I refresh should be something different. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's add to the Y offset here, plus equal, I don't know, 0.01. Okay, let's do the same thing for the X offset. There we go. Okay. All right, and we might want to move a little bit faster than this. let's do 0.5, half of 0.1. Okay, that's good. And now the last thing that we need to do to make it dynamic, right, that changes through time, is basically to only add a third offset, right? So that we can do pretty simply, we'll just have let z off be equal to 0, and we can pass z offset in here and add something to z offset in here. There you go. There we go. Now it's moving through time. So we're pretty much done. I know this was a really quick sketch, but hopefully you liked it anyway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.